As the number of HGVs on Europe's roads increases, inevitably so does pollution. Diesel-powered HGVs represent 2% of the vehicles on our roads today, yet generate 20% of transport-related greenhouse gases. There has to be a better way. Well, there is. Gasrec is Europe's leading manufacturer and supplier of liquefied natural gas fuel to the road transport sector. A fuel that helps operators reduce their costs and CO2 emissions.
Diesel has dominated as a transport fuel for the last 100 years. That's a dirty fuel. It's a costly fuel. And what natural gas provides is an alternative to that.
The fuel burnt in a natural gas engine mainly consists of methane. This methane comes from two sources. Household waste sent to landfill will biodegrade over time and will generate a valuable and sustainable resource, biomethane.
Well, we're here at Gasrec's LBM facility down in Oldbury, and what we do is we take waste gas from landfill, we clean the gas, and then we purify that and liquefy that into a vehicle fuel, an alternative vehicle fuel. So this is a sustainable fuel. It comes from landfill. It's a biogas, and the emissions and the particulates are virtually nothing.
Gasrec's state-of-the-art facility in Surrey produces up to 5,000 tonnes of liquid biomethane a year. This is the equivalent of 6.4 million litres of diesel, all from a sustainable resource that otherwise would simply be flared off or pumped into the gas network. The second source of methane for Gasrec is liquid natural gas. This is imported into the UK by ship from the Middle East, Australia and America. It is collected by Gasrec's tanker fleet and then transported to Gasrec's fuelling facilities across the UK. Transporting this energy as a liquid rather than as a gas has many advantages. By cooling the gas so it becomes a liquid, you concentrate the energy, and it is far easier and more stable to handle and move. And more importantly, you can transport the fuel to where it is most needed. Gasrec currently has 11 refuelling stations strategically positioned across the UK's road network. 3 are open access stations, such as this one at junction 18 on the M1, serving multiple customers. It operates like your standard fuel station. Gasrec also runs dedicated customer stations that are embedded within customer sites and for use of that customer only. Today there are about 750 vehicles in the UK adapted to run on liquid natural gas. But with pressure growing on operators to reduce their emissions and costs, this is set to increase.
Our view is that by 2025 the market will be nearer 30,000 vehicles, of which we'll be supplying about 30 or 40%.
So how will Gasrec meet this expected increase in demand for their fuel?
Well, the next step for us is really just growing the network and building the business out across Europe. Key to that is securing competitively sourced gas, and it's developing our offer in a way that makes gas compelling to our customers. To reduce emissions, CO2, NOx, SOx, there are few alternatives, and about the only viable alternative is an alternative fuel such as natural gas. So our customers see that, that's why they're starting to use natural gas vehicles, and the vehicle manufacturers increasingly are developing gas vehicles.
So demand for gas-powered vehicles is increasing, driven by the benefits of lower running costs, quieter vehicles and reduced CO2 and greenhouse gas emissions. And Gasrec is meeting this growing demand by increasing and securing its supply of fuel and by developing its network of refuelling stations across the UK and Europe. There is a better way, the Gasrec way.